Are you longing to make money online? Are you looking for side income or even have a dream about living completely off the internet in the long run? Then you're in the right place. And you're looking at affiliate marketing thinking, is it too late? Can I do this? Or is affiliate marketing dead? Is there too much competition? And how do you even do it? You're confused and I'm here to help. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm your online mentor, here to help you grow your YouTube channel and make money online. And of course it's not too late. Of course you can do affiliate marketing. You can become a marketer. But what might kill your dream though is lack of knowledge. I'm here to walk you through the benefits of affiliate marketing and give you 2 huge tips on which skills to acquire to become a proper marketer. And also give you a big warning. So affiliate marketing is a perfect starting business for someone that is not an entrepreneur from before. It's a simple business model. You're just referring online visitors usually to products and services from businesses and brands that you have partnered with. So it's a win-win-win situation because your online visitors at your blog or on your YouTube channel, they trust you. And you can refer good products and services to them, and that's a benefit for them. And for the company, it's a huge benefit as well. They don't have to hire a salesperson or put too much budget into marketing because you're doing it for them. And there's a huge win for you as well because you're earning a commission on the sales. Why is it such a simple business model for a starter? Well, you don't need your own products. You don't need to have a huge startup capital, no logistics, no stock, no inventory, no payment methods, no customer care. The list is long and there's nothing to fulfill. There is no close of business Friday afternoon deadline, and there's no glass ceiling on the income opportunities for you. And maybe the best part of it all is that you can have complete geographical freedom. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. But what might kill your dream is lack of knowledge. So my first tip to you is to become a marketer. And you don't have to take a college education for 4 years and end up with student loans. You can take our free course. It's linked down below. Opt in with Launch You and get the proper training. Because you need to become a marketer, and that's a profession. It's a complex set of skills that you need to learn. And you shouldn't underestimate the power of knowing digital marketing when you're gonna become an affiliate marketer. With our Launch You course, there is also an affiliate opportunity for you, and you can set up a hyper profitable online business. My second tip to you is to become a video professional. Learn to be comfortable on camera. That's why you should take our 90-day video challenge, also in the course link down below. Getting comfortable on camera does take time. Trust me. And if you're not used to making videos, planning, scripting, shooting, editing is something you need to learn. My big warning to you is there is no overnight success. There is no get rich quick opportunity in affiliate marketing. Don't fall into that trap of thinking it. You have to do the groundwork. So once you get properly dressed up with marketing skills and video skills, promoting other products and services to your online audience, you are up and running as an affiliate marketer. And learning digital marketing isn't rocket science. I promise you, anyone can learn it, and so can you. It's all about the work you put in. Thumbs up if you agree. You can do this. Next, watch these videos from this playlist on affiliate marketing. For example, the one on how to sign up with Amazon Associates so you can start promoting Amazon products and services on your blog, vlog, videos, or website. All the best, good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.